Hello students of class 10. Welcome in geography in SS class. Today in geography chapter 5, minerals and energy resources. Minerals and energy resources. Means what is mineral and what is resources. Minerals, the things which we get by mining, by digging, those things called minerals. Means which we got by the under the inner part of our surface by the mining, those things called minerals. Okay. And next one is well, what is resources? Energy giving resources means resources which by which we can fulfill our needs, which satisfied our needs, those called resources. मीन्स इसका मतलब कि मिनरल्स और रिसोर्स हमारे जीवन के विभिन्न अंग हैं जिससे हम अपनी जरूरतों को पूरा करते हैं. एंड मीन्स ऑल द थिंग्स वी गॉट बाय नेचर मीन्स homogeneous things all, and biotic and abiotic components whatever present on the earth's surface and whatever we got from inside the earth's surface for fulfilling our needs, those are called minerals. Okay, so by this pattern minerals means we are using in our daily life, and minerals is very basic and we can say fundamental thing for development, and it is how to form means its formation period during the formation of earth means whatever earth's history, it is also the history of minerals. जैसे अर्थ सरफेस फॉर्म हुआ है, कहा जाता है कि पहले पूरा जो है पृथ्वी आग के गोले की तरह था, उसके बाद बहुत सारी रेनिंग हुई, पानी बरसा बहुत सालों तक, तब जाकर के धीरे धीरे वेजिटेशन ग्रो हुआ, काई जो उस पर पड़ी, फंगीज पहले हुए, इसके बाद धीरे धीरे सब जा करके हुआ. Means it is the formation of earth, and then because due to its basic, the firstly earth surface was as the fire, as the hot, so inside the earth a lot of minerals taken place and being emerges. Okay, and those minerals we get by mining. Okay, like for example coal and petroleum. It is also means due to the formation of land, means after a lot of process and a long years, thousands of years ago, means then it's be formed due to increasing temperature of earth's surface and during earthquake, a lot of vegetation being inside of the earth, and it's after a long period taken the form of coal and petroleum. Means जब बहुत hot temperature में कुछ वनस्पतियां earthquake से या फिर धरती के भूचाल से अंदर दब गई, तो पूरा का पूरा जंगल दब करके अंदर कोयले के रूप में हो गया, और उसका जो मीन्स वेजिटेशन था वो चेंज हो गया फॉसिल फ्यूल्स में. ओके, मीन्स इन दिस वे इट इज द हिस्ट्री ऑफ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मिनरल्स. ओके, use of minerals in daily life means we are using those minerals in our daily life, means like Colgate whatever we are using, it is also formation of mineral. Iron is the base of fundamental base of development, means all the building structures and a lot of things we are making by the iron. Minerals are needed for our body, means in our nutrients iron and minerals very important things, and means minerals much more important for the economical activities, all the construction work, minerals very important for that. And in this way means it is the part of our life. Okay, next, mode of occurrence of minerals. Whatever mode of occurrence of minerals, in mode of occurrence of minerals, we got minerals much more by means inside the ores, मीन्स मिनरल्स ओर्स जहाँ पे हैं वहाँ पे हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मिनरल्स पाते हैं. ओके, एंड वॉट एवर दियर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ दोज मिनरल्स वी गेट इन विच फॉर्म्स इट्स गिवन यू नो अंडर टू मोड ऑफ occurrence vents and lodges. Vents and lodges means we got some minerals means from joint, from cracks, from small means ores, wherever those called wells, and lodge means where we got a large quantity of minerals means those called lodges. Next one, beds and layers. Beds and layers are those minerals which we got in you know layers condition means परतदार, जो परत दर परत जमा रहती है उसको हम बेड्स एंड लेयर्स form of minerals बोलते हैं. means we got by the ores in this form of minerals. Okay, next one is alluvial deposits. Alluvial deposits means it's coming from mountain and hillsides, and it's also means being stored means after formation of a long years, and we got it from place to place, it's being collected one place. Next one, ocean waters. Ocean waters is also source of minerals and fossil fuels. You know much more we got from that means due to aquatic animals and due to the aquatic and marines, when it's also being under inside the earth and after a long period formation, it's also means emergence of fossil fuels from the oceans. Okay, so means we got in these forms of much more our minerals. Okay, distribution of minerals in India means fortunately India is prosperous and rich, having natural vegetations and minerals resources. Okay, so means India have the storehouse of raw material. It's a long period ago Britishers have also consumes their resources much more, and whatever they have wasted a lot of foreigners, and after independence whatever resources remain means according to Indian distribution of minerals. First one is Peninsular Plateau. Peninsular Plateau is the storehouse of minerals. Due to means plateau areas, it having a lot of minerals, ferrous minerals. It is the storehouse of ferrous minerals. Okay. Next one is Gujarat and Assam. Gujarat and Assam having rich and prosperous of fossil fuels and much more minerals resources. Next one is Rajasthan. Rajasthan having also means much more resources, much more minerals and resources. Okay, northern plains. Next one, northern plain have no more and very less minerals and resources, because in alluvial and plains having very less quantity of minerals. Okay, but in these three areas, Peninsular Plateau, Gujarat and Assam, Rajasthan, having much more prosperous place means for the minerals and resources. Okay, in Peninsular Plateau have non-ferrous, metallic and non-metallic minerals much more. Gujarat and Rajasthan having much more means they got their ferrous and means fossil fuels, and in Rajasthan having much more means whatever minerals in Rajasthan we are getting much more means minerals and resources very rich in India, and these are sufficient in this generation, but we have to conserve it for the next generation. Most of minerals of India become nationalized means it's mining after the permission of Indian government. Much more means after being nationalized it become the property of government of India. Okay, after the permission only they can mining there and having restriction areas. and much more like the Meghalaya, Cherrapunji, a lot of places as means having their individual means persons can digging there, can mining there personally if in their property. Means rat and hole tunnel in Meghalaya and Cherrapunji by the family members and farmers, they were digging themselves there. Okay, coal mines there much more means they were digging. It is their individual property. Next one is classification of minerals. I will explain in next part of this chapter. Okay, so in the first part of minerals till the distribution of minerals in India. Okay, and next part will be start from the classification of minerals. Okay, metallic, non-metallic, these classification of mineral. Okay, you have to maintain it in your notes and learn carefully, and you have to search the places where we are getting rich minerals.